Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena, and today I'm sharing an easy dinner recipe, this creamy ravioli, that's ready in under 15 minutes. Let's start with that delicious sauce. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add in a 1/4 cup of butter and let melt. Then season with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute or until the garlic is fragrant. Add in 1/2 cup of chicken broth and let simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 2 cups of heavy cream and let simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes, whisking occasionally. Now reduce the heat and add in 1½ cups of grated Parmesan cheese. Add in about 4 to 6 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes and let simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, you can also add in some baby spinach as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now this is when I like to start on the ravioli. That way they will be done at the same time as the sauce. We like to use the 18-ounce mozzarella cheese ravioli. Once your ravioli is done and has been drained, it's time to add it into the sauce, and make sure to gently stir it in. And this creamy ravioli is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!